This will look good on video if the front one sinks. I'm not getting the throw off Ernie if I get stuck. Oh! Need to draw bar. Oh no, the wind's back up. Maybe we will get some sailing.
Yeah. It's the A16. Yeah. Yeah, I did.
1 metre focus.
No north wind.
Yes. How's he doing that? Well, he's got one in each hand, look. Never seen that before, but there you go.
That's it, yeah.
He's doing trying to put a bit of drag on the towboat, so he's really got a bit of reverse throttle on to slow it down. Yes, folks, that's how he's doing it. The left one's doing
The red one.
the red one, the big boat at the back, and that's got reverse throttle on, so you can get some drag. Help it slow down. Keep the rope taut.